What is going on, everyone, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to do listing optimization, how to give us the best possible chance of listing on page one, hopefully the top listing, if not page one, giving us the best possible chance using some of the Helium 10 software and some of the methods that we've learned on the way. So yeah, without further ado, let's dive into it. So if you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe to the video and the channel. That would really help enormously. If you're here for the first time, then welcome. My name's Hayden Davidson. I sell pretty much full time doing e-commerce, Amazon FBA. Currently building a brand, brand number one, and then I do some YouTube videos as well. So here we are. If you're coming back, then welcome back, and thanks for watching again. Let's dive into it. So as you can see, we've got this obviously what is it, multivitamins and mineral formula here, which I thought I would use for this video today. This gives you a really good example of obviously a very stable listing, 9,810 ratings there, and then also I'm going to show you the analysis of this using Helium 10 in a minute. So few things to consider here, diving straight into this, few things to consider when you're trying to rank on page one on a listing, right? So listing optimization sort of hacks, if you like. It's amazing the amount of people that don't take into consideration the importance of obviously number one, pictures. Think about anything that you've ever bought on Amazon. The pictures are always key. I mean, look at the crisp picture here that we've got. Number one, it's very, very clear what is in it. Okay. Picture number two has got the great value, the premium grade, gives you the benefits, right? Page three, more benefits there. Look, you've got all the nutritions and all the ingredients on the back here on page four. Page five, different languages. Page six, very clear on the back. Page seven. There we go. Page seven, you've got nutritional information there. Different types of the labels. So very, very clear. Now, look, this isn't perfect. I think there's a lot of room to get even better pictures. But this is like a really good quality listing, and it's got a lot of ratings, which means it works. Now, it depends what sort of product you're selling, but although it's not perfect, it's not really necessary to have any more. I mean, if I was looking at, I've actually bought these multivitamins in the past. I think it was these or the B12, the same brand, that's for sure. I was very happy with these images, and you don't need anything more. Lifestyle image might help, but you don't actually need necessarily any more. So obviously, when you're looking to get the listing optimization to make you rank on page one, you need to have obviously great images there. Okay. But secondly, right, and this is the most important thing, the title needs to have all of the relevant keywords that are going to be ranking for your product. Now, obviously, you need to do the research on them keywords before we're just scoffing the keywords, because you can't just put multivitamins and minerals and expect to be on page one. That's very unrealistic. It's probably a very, very saturated niche, multivitamins and minerals as a keyword, or definitely multivitamins as a keyword, okay? Obviously, you need to do your research. I'm using this as an example. You need to make sure that you're scoffing, and I'm going to show you how to do this in a minute, how to find these. You need to make sure that you're scoffing your title and also your, the section down here, all of the bullet points, etc., and the description. You need to make sure that you're finding all the relevant keywords and scoffing them, okay? But there's other things you need to take into account as well. So if we head over to the listing analyzer on Helium 10, you can see that you've got the copy breakdown, media breakdown here, and the listing quality score is 8.5. Now, I would say if your listing isn't at least an 8, right, and there's no reason you can't have a 10, by the way. I'd say most of mine are probably a 10, or haven't yet recently. They should be around about a 10, if not at least 8, okay? Then you're just leaving money on the table. You're leaving possible sales on the table, right? So you need to be checking this. You can type this in up here, go to the tools, right? And you need to check if, let's get off that. So you need to click the analyze here, make it load up, right? And you need to check in detail, is yours meeting the criteria, the Helium 10 criteria on the listing optimization? Because as I say, if not, then you're leaving money on the table. Not only do you get this to come up on the dashboard here, but you can also get it with the Chrome extension on the actual product page, which I can show you in a minute. So once you've typed it in, I'm going to show you an example here. I've got the listing quality dashboard, as I say 8.5, and that's giving you a score because, there's not 5 bullet points here. Okay, so there's no reason we can't be matching every single bullet point here. So you need more than 5 bullet points. Bullet points are not all in caps, right? You need to make sure, look, that they've put them in caps, okay? Includes a video. We haven't got a video in this one either, okay? So if I was this company, if I was this brand, I'd definitely be getting videos put on all of my items. Now, having said that, I know it does take quite a lot of time to do that. My brand needs to add videos to our products as well. I haven't. I feel like I've got more of an excuse, though. I'm a tiny little brand. This brand, I know, does millions and millions a year. There's no excuse for them not to have videos on their listing, okay? So they've got 20 plus reviews, they've got 4+ average ratings. So you need to go here and check, you know, what your listing's missing, essentially. And then once you've done that, what we can do is actually take the ACE in here, and now we need to find the actual keyword. Okay, so the keywords research here on Cerebro, verse product lookup. What we can actually do is start to find the exact keywords that we need on our product. So let's load this page up here. And what we're going to do, we can do this to competitors as well, but we're just going to do this one ASIN for this particular product, just so I can give you a great example. Helium 10 is going to quickly load this up, right? And by the way, I've got a 50% off coupon below for Helium 10 if you want to give it a go. It's a tool that I couldn't personally create listings without it, because you just can't get the information like this. Look, 7,146 filtered keywords for this, which obviously we're not going to start traipsing through all of them, okay? So what I'm actually going to do is have a look at these filters here and see if I can get that down to the best performing keywords, right? And then once we've got the best performing keywords, we need to make sure that they are scoffed into our titles and into our descriptions and into our bullet points, etc. So if that's an organic rank up to 5, and let's apply that filter and see what difference that makes. So now we've only got 468. Okay, so this is now showing the keywords that are top, between 1 and 5 of the top keywords, 468 filtered keywords. So this is really, really condensing it down. And I'm actually going to condense it down even further to 3, okay? The organic rank 3. And this is going to give us the ranking highest ranking. Oh, it's still 421 there. So let's actually condense that down even more, and let's put that to organic rank number 1. So these are ranking for organic number 1 for this product. So we've got 385 filtered keywords there. And then if I do the search volume there, actually I'm going to try the Cerebro IQ score there. And the higher the score this is, the better the score is. Okay, the higher it is, the better. So you can click on that again, it will show you the lowest. Click it again, it will show us the highest. So these are what Helium 10 thinks are the best possible keywords, okay, for this product that we're typing in here. And as you can see, so we've got the platinum multivitamin here, we've got the basil rathbone. So these are what these are actually ranking for on this product, okay? So these are actually ranking on this product, multivitamins and irons, multivitamins and minerals. As you can see, we've got the search volume here, and then we've got the Cerebro IQ score here. And it's going to show us the best possible thing. But another thing that we can do is actually do the search volume here. So if you've done the search volume, we're going to find the most searched volume keywords here. Let's click that again. Ooh. There we go. So New You multivitamin. So the search volume for New You multivitamin is actually 230. Now, they've obviously got that right there, New You nutrition. So they've got, as you can see, one of the keywords in their title there. Let's have a look at some more. New nutrition there. So people are looking for this brand, as you can see. So the strong multivitamin 96 there. Male multivitamins and minerals. So you've got the search volume there. So Cerebro IQ score 120. And obviously multivitamins and minerals is in their title as well. So what we're actually looking to do here is take the most searched product keywords, right? Looking for the most searched ones. Strong multivitamin tablets there. We're going to be looking for the most searched keywords, which have also got the most potential, as in the competition isn't too bad, okay? And then we need to start scoffing them all into here, scoffing them all into here, scoffing them all into the description down there, Okay, and then once you've started scoffing, that's going to give you the best possible chance. Now, obviously, we need to use them in the PPC later as well, and things like that. And we can actually start messing around with the filters here. Okay, so we can start messing around to see, look, let's get rid of that. And let's do the search volume. Let's say if we want some stronger keywords, 10,000 there. We want at least a search volume of 1,000 on this. Let's see how many come up. 298, there we go. So now we've got the iron supplements, okay? So let's see if iron supplements is in their one. There we go. Iron and minerals for men. So they've got iron in there. And you can bet your dollar that they have used a software like this software or similar software to scoff their keywords in here. Vitamins there, 8,153 on vitamins. Look. But obviously they've got them all in here. Vitamins, and then obviously they're going to be ranking for this in their PPC as well, and just scoffing it all in here. So it's a collation of obviously the title here, 1 year supply, vitamins and minerals, 365 tablets, which is quite rare actually, and usually a lot of the time you don't get 365 in these packets. And then also you've got, they're going to be, as you can see, convenient source of vitamins and minerals, getting the benefit of the 24 individuals vitamins and minerals, easy to swallow each tablet, vitamin A, B. Notice how many times they keep saying vitamins and minerals. They're scoffing it, you know, for the search volume. They're scoffing it. They're keyword scoffing it, okay? Supercharge your health. Eat vitamin. Has carefully selected you. Vitamin A, okay? Vitamin. They keep saying vitamin, right? Zinc. And they're obviously listing the benefits, but at the same time making sure that all the keywords are in there over and over again. Up to 12 months full supply. Our incredible 365 tablets, keeping you there. A lot of benefits here. Total peace of mind. Vitamin and supplements. Okay, vegetarians, multivitamins possible. They keep saying the main keywords that are going to be ranking for. That's what you want to do. Good pictures. Keep repeating over and over again, obviously, the vitamins and minerals, you know, the keywords, and then obviously in your title as well. And that's how I use Helium 10 to help me to keyword scoff my listings. So I hope that video's helped. As I say, check Helium 10 out below, 50% off. And I will see you in the next video.